Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block internet access for specific applications on your Windows 11 PC. All you have to do is to just follow along with me. The first thing you have to do is open your start menu or search bar and you have to type in firewall.cpl. Hit enter or click on the firewall.cpl when it appears. This will open a Windows Defender firewall window. The next thing you have to do is to click on Advanced Settings. This will bring up a new window. On this window, we need to create two new rules, one inbound rule and one outbound rules. Let's start with the inbound rule. Click on Inbound Rules in the left-hand pane, then select New Rule on the right side. In the New Rule wizard, select Program and then click on Next. Then click on Browse to find the application you want to block from accessing the internet. For example, if you want to block VLC, navigate to the Program Files folder, then find the Video LAN folder and select vlc.exe. After that, click on Next and choose Block the connection. Then click Next again and ensure that domain, private and public are all checked. Then click Next again and then name that rule VLC inbound and then click Finish. Now the next thing is to create the outbound rule. Click on the outbound rules in the left hand pane and then you click on New Rule. Again, you have to select Program, then you click on Next and then browse for the same application, which is VLC in this case. Then you have to select vlc.exe. Click Next and choose Block the connection. You have to click Next again. Make sure that domain, private and public are all checked. Then click Next again. Name this rule VLC outbound and click Finish. And that is it. You should now see both rules listed, successfully blocking VLC's internet access. I hope you found this quick tutorial very helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below in the comment section and I will see you in the next video. Bye and take care.